Hi everyone, welcome to Nikki YouTube channel. So happy new year. It's another year to be a wonderful year for us all. So for today's tutorial I want to make a mini side bag, just a mini bag, and the measurement I'm going to be using for this bag, it's going to be a very short tutorial. So it is 10 inches by 8 inches length, and we're going to be having two of this. You can see the front and the back, so it's the same size. So I'm going to put my I have these two here, and this is my lining for the two. You can see this is my lining for the two. So before I will fix my lining, I'm going to attach zipper here. So I'll go to sewing machine now. I'll place my zipper like this and place my lining on top of it, so that when I sew it I would be having the rough edge inside the lining. So I will do it for this and for this also. So let me just go and put the zipper there and turn it with the lining. So I want to show you how I'm going to sew the lining. You can see I've held it down first. So the next thing is to place my lining on it like this. That means the zip is in between the lining and the material. So you try and pull your zip so that it will lay flat. After that, I'm going to top stitch. You can see what I'm doing. Just top stitch. And I'll sew the lining down on it so that I'll be able to trim off the excess lining. You can see I decided to add a little pocket here, and this other one there's no pocket, so I will just trim off the excess lining now, and I will insert the zipper. So now you can see I've trimmed it and I've inserted my zip edge, and this is the wrong side. So the next thing now is to get what will go around it. So what we are going to be doing is the gauze that will wrap it together like this. So what we're going to be doing is to get the length. We'll measure from this edge to this edge here. You can try to measure it around, but half of it, once we get the half of it, we'll be able to get the remaining one. So I'll measure here. And this is 1.5, 13.5. This is 25.25. Let's take it all around. 25.25, 25.25, 25.25. So we have 50.75 here. 50.75. So the going round should be 50.75. So you now determine the width of the bag. So you can try to make it 3, but I think I will make my own 4 here. You can see 4 inches wide, but the round measurement must be 50.75. So now let's, and at the edge you will put cuff here. You put a cuff there. So the cuff depends on how you want it to be. You can decide to make it narrower than this. So let's first go round for this and see what we have. So we know if what we have is okay or is more than that. That means we have more than what we have. What we want is 50.75. So the half of it should be 25.3. So I have to trim this. So that's how you can see, you just trim till you get what you want. till you get what you want. And see what I, so let me just trim it. So when I get exactly what I want, I will show you, so I won't waste. Okay, so now I have trimmed it to what I want. I've trimmed it to what I want, so it is the same measurement. Now the next thing is to attach it. You can see it from this notch center. I will start from this zip and I will sew it all round. But before I sew it, I want to attach the ring to this side just for the carrier. So I just cut out this little material. Any shape you want to cut, you can make it straight, you can make it V, anything. Let it be, the width here be what can stay inside this. You can see it like this, so it will be able to stay inside it. And I can decide to use a smaller one, so I will just sew this down here and on the other side. So let me just sew it down. So I have fixed it, and this is the material. So the next thing is to start sewing it. I want to make a mark here so that I will know where I'm sewing. And see, you are sewing it on the outside. You are putting the left side, the wrong side facing the wrong side. So from here, we'll sew it all around. You can see how I'm setting it. This is how I will go all around. You can see that the center matches with the center here. Let me just show you. So this is the center here, and this is the center on the zipper. So now I will just go and do the remaining one off camera. I will just continue the sewing. So let me just do it off camera. And I'm almost done now. So it was a perfect one. So when you measure it very well, you have the perfect one too, like this. And this is our mini bag. So this is the zipper for the opening. You can see it. You can see the inside. So now it remains the finish. So all these sharp joints, just cuff it, because we are going to be taping it. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just cuffing it so it will be rounded. So this is what we have here, and we have our bag. So you can see how beautiful it is. So now we want to tape it. You can decide to use belt to tape it, and you can decide to give me the lighter, and you can decide to use this same material to tape, but I think this material will be removing at the edge, but let's just use it. So what I will do is just to use my lighter just to do the edges so that it will be neat. You can see what I'm doing. So I'll do it on both sides. I'll do it on both sides and start the taping. Though I'm not sure if it will not still remove later, but at least. So you can decide to use belts. Close this window. is the so now when you want to start the taping, I would advise to start from the bottom. And the reason why I want to start from the bottom is because this my own, I will be joining it, they will be joining there, because it cannot go round. So I have to join it, so it will come like this, and end at the bottom here. So I'll continue again, and that other one to be end at the bottom. So that is, even if you want to use a long one, just make sure you start somewhere around the bottom side so that you will have a good finishing. So now that is what I will be doing now. So just the taping is what we are left with. So you can see how I'm starting mine. So from the bottom. Yeah, do not rush, just do it one at a time. So the end result you will have will be something beautiful. So you can see how I am taping it. So I'll just do this gently, so that, because this is the last part of the bag, and that this is where it will be visible outside, so I want it to be very, very neat. So that is why I would not rush. I will take my time to sew it. And before taping it, you can try to trim this place. If it's too much, you can try to trim it. So you can see what I am doing, taking my time to arrange it. Take your time to arrange it. So that's how I'll just go around and finish it up. So let me just finish it up. So this is the finished look of the bag. You can see I have taped it round. You can see how spacious it is and how beautiful it is. And I've attached a handle to it, a strap to it. So you can use any handle. You can even use this material to make the handle, adjustable handle. And you can use chain on it. So if you have watched this video to this level, I hope you got value for this video. So do also subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comments, react to it. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Was it helpful? Do you get value in the video? And if you want me to illustrate or make a video on any bag of your choice, you can send the picture in the comment section, or you look for my WhatsApp link on my YouTube bio. So you can send the picture. I'll try and work on it. Like this video and subscribe. Share the video so that others too can enjoy what you are enjoying. So thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.